Hi guys, it's Kelly, and today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to the beach today, and the Teenage Toy Stores are on today, so I'll be vlogging that too. And my hair looks like a mess because I haven't brushed it yet, but I kind of just woke up, so if I look tired, and so I'm tired, that's why. So basically, I'm not filming with my vlogging camera right now, I'm filming with my phone, because the vlogging camera had good quality, but the audio was terrible. I don't think it was meant to be for videos, actually. I think it was just meant to take pictures. So that's why, but yeah, I'm definitely not going to be using that because when I listened to it, I was like, oh my god, who would want to watch this? So yeah, so I'm just watching Tori Kelly right now because I'm obsessed with her since her video with Miranda Sings. I just love her so much now. And I love Pentatonics. I've known them for a while, but I just started to get obsessed with them. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, put on chapstick, sunscreen, moisturizer, and that's it. Okay, so I'll talk to you once I'm done with that. We are ready to go. I have a little cookie. And I also have my blanket so that I can keep myself comfortable, you know? Yeah. Let's go.
Drive over it, won't he? Yeah, when I drove him last year, they drove really close to the side here.
Here, on purpose?
Yeah, to freak him out.
Oh my god. I'm freaking out.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we're at the beach and I'm in the water right now. So I've never filmed this close to water, so I'm kind of scared. I'm holding it with two hands and it's really nice. It's a good temperature, a little cold, but I can handle it. And it's very fun, but I'm really scared I'm gonna get splashed. And no one will come in with me, so yay. Say something. It's my vlog.
Oh, hi!
So I am sitting now. So I'm gonna tell you guys a story. So I was in the water, and then this 10-year-old boy comes up to me and is like, "Hi." So I'm like, "Hi," trying to be nice and all. And then he goes, "Come here often?" And I'm like, no, as I'm turning away. And then I sprint back to my chair because I was really creeped out. I'm pretty sure it was a dare, I'm 100% sure, almost, because he was laughing and he was with his friends, so yeah. But it was really weird and awkward, and I'm still scared a little bit. Hi guys, so we're at our friend's house now, and I am just here, and I'm with Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Cookie's so nice. I love her so much. Say hi, Cookie. Hello. Okay, so I have to brush my hair because it's a mess. Look at that. And my knees hurt from boogie boarding and then falling onto the sand. And my feet are sandy. So you can watch me brush my hair because it'll be so entertaining. So I brought everything in my Forever 21 bag that all of you guys love, because I can tell by the comments. And yes, I did get it from Forever 21, if you're wondering. A lot of you guys are asking for the link, but I couldn't find it. So Yeah, I'm also really bad at finding things, so. Yes?
Cook, you okay, sweetie?
I'm on my way home now. I'm about to leave in like 2 seconds. But I really want to come back. It was so fun. And yeah. Hey, Beth! Hey, Bethany! Bethany, oh my god. Shay Mitchell is watching this right now. She's watching Bethany Moda. Ooh, music.
No.
I don't know.
Oh no.
No.
She's...
No. I don't know
Who
who
the heck
that is.
is
I don't know who Lindsay
It's
Sterling
definitely
is.
Jack and Jack.
No, Jack and Jack's gonna win.
What?
Who even are they? I don't even know who these people are.
What?
No, Sean. I vote Sean. I vote Sean. Let's go, Sean. I vote Sean.
Sean's
Sean.
gonna win.
Sean, I feel like he's the nicest. Oh, Tori. But I still vote Sean.
I don't know.
No, you vote Sean. You vote Sean.
Sean's just gonna win because he was at the Taylor Swift concert.
Shh. Yeah! Yeah, Sean. Oh my god, Sean. I'm like getting chills.
Let's hear his voice.
Look, I'm getting chills. He's like, ah, this is really cool. Thanks, guys.